How to find hidden chats on Viber. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. So here I'll be showing you how to find chats which is hidden on Viber. If you have hidden some chats and want to access them again, stay tuned. So let me first demonstrate how to hide a chat. For that, open Viber application on your device and log into your account. Long press on particular chat that you want to hide. Now from this menu, choose Hide Chat button and enter a 4-digit PIN. And as you can see that the chat has already been removed from this section and it has been hidden on your hidden chat section. In order to access your hidden chats, you need to scroll down and tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. And now you simply need to search for that particular chat that you have hidden. And as you can see that on the contacts, we already have seen this particular chat that has been hidden. To unhide, you simply need to tap on the chat and then enter your PIN. You can simply tap on your name and scroll down. And at the bottom, you'll see unhide the chat. Tap unhide the chat and enter the PIN. And when you scroll back to your chat screen, you'll successfully find that particular chats. So in this way, you can easily access to your hidden chats on Viber. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.